Now, with traditional Chinese medicine, it is never as simple as that. So traditional Chinese medicine likes to be as complicated as possible. So basically it gets very interesting because the heart alone doesn't manifest in anxiety. There's other organs that get involved too. So for example, the spleen. The spleen is an organ that produces blood. That blood nourishes the heart. So if the spleen is weak or deconditioned, it's not going to generate enough blood. And so that can lead to insufficiency in terms of heart blood. So then what happens with the spirit? What happens to the Shen? It loses its foundation, it loses its anchor. So we get this mixed pattern of heart and spleen deficiency, which is something very common actually, especially in students or people who are basically under a lot of stress all the time, or they worry a lot, or they overthink about things. That's spleen and heart blood deficiency. Another organ that comes up a lot with anxiety is the liver. When the liver qi stagnates, it can transform into heat because of the stagnation, and that can disturb the heart. That can then agitate or disturb the Shen. So this is an excess condition. So this is where there's some heat involved there. So there could be some irritability in this pattern. There could be some chest tightness. There would definitely be a lot of sighing with this patient. So this is because of the liver qi stagnation. And that liver qi stagnation is transforming into heat or fire, and that fire is harassing the heart.